Alright, this video is a quick unboxing of the document camera that was sent to you. If you open the box, we'll go through the contents. This is first of all a placement pad, and this pad is going to allow us to align the camera as we're recording documents. And you have the camera itself. Okay, looks like that. This does open up, and then you also have the extension here where it will go up and down. It also has this little rotation, and it feels stiff, but it will go 90 degrees one direction and it will go 180 degrees in the other. Okay, and you can see that would be a normal document location. And the last thing we have as far as hardware is a USB cable. Okay, also in the box they give you software, which we'll cover in the next video, and then also a small product manual telling you exactly where everything is. Now, it does have a couple of things we want to point out as we get to the operation of it, and we'll go ahead and show you on the camera. Okay, we do have a button on either side of the device, or on the one side, and then we have the LED light here on the top, and you'll notice that of course that is the LED underneath to help light up your paper. This does work best with non-glossy paper, as the glossy paper tends to reflect a lot more.